Hello, future CAs. Today, I'm going to share a secret with you all. This is something I've been sharing with my offline students for the last 7 to 8 years, and following exactly this, so many students got 90 plus, 80 plus, many exemptions, and even a few of them got ranks. Yes, you read it right. Accounts and law exemption strategy in just 30 days. You will be thinking, sir, how is this possible, sir? In 30 days, how can I get exemption in accounts and law? Watch the video till the end, and then you will realize by yourself, yes, it's definitely possible. So in this video, I'm going to give you three important pillars. The first thing is do's and don'ts. Whichever faculty you are following for accounts and law, few things are do's and don'ts that you definitely have to follow for your exams. The second thing is the main study plan that you all need. The 30 days study plan for accounts and law. I'll be explaining them in detail, and significant part of this video will go around that. And lastly, if at all anybody wants to purchase the class, I'm giving a massive discount in the end of this video only for people who are watching this till the end. Let's start off, guys. The first thing is a few do's and don'ts. Whichever faculty you are following for accounts and law, if you're going to do these things, you will definitely excel in your exams. And if you're still going to do these don'ts also, then you know your result. Don't ask me, guys. The first thing is conceptual clarity, and revise that conceptual clarity. Let me give you an example. In buyback chapter, we transfer some particular face value of shares bought back or redemption of preference shares to CRR account. Why do we transfer to CRR? They don't ask that in exam, but we never learn it. Now go to YouTube and really search why do we transfer to CRR. You will get the answer. One of my videos itself will be over there. Now when you learn with conceptual clarity, what will happen is you will start enjoying that particular subject, guys. And then what students do is they learn and straight away go to the main exam without much revisions. So you have to revise. When you should revise, once conceptual clarity is done, you have to revise with the help of marathons. But what you will do? I will watch only marathon, sir. Then I will go to exam. No, guys. Marathon is for revision. Marathon is not replacement of the conceptual clarity faculties give you. Second, writing practice. Accounts is there, sir. I will see question. Sir, you solved it. Tick, tick, tick. Tick, tick, tick. All books are correct, sir. I put tick. When are you going to take the pen and start writing? So many students have told me, sir, in class when you are solving, everything looks nice, sir. When I am solving only, schedule 3 is not tallying, IR is not tallying, something is missing out. You will solve by yourself, do assignments, do test series, anything that works for you, but writing practice most important. Next, we will all think that I will study, sir, I will go to main exam and deal with MCQ. That doesn't work. When it comes to MCQs, especially nowadays in new syllabus, you have detailed big MCQs. So you have to practice case study based MCQs, and I have freely uploaded on YouTube MCQ Marathon for accounts and law. 20 top case studies for both the subjects I am discussing. Those videos, link is in the description. You can freely watch that, guys. Next, I only want to tell you guys, whatever we are all doing now is not for my life to change, is for your life to change. So remember, you're doing it for your future self. You may be 18, 20, 25, 30, whatever age, whatever you're studying now, whose life is going to change? Your future life. So remember that and do the do's properly. And what are the don'ts, guys? Recently, US government has filed a case on Mark Zuckerberg and YouTube head that social media is designed to be an addictive platform. Yes, we are all addicted to social media. We have to accept that, but balance and use it. Please ensure that your usage of social media does not exceed your study time every day. Don't sleep and study. Sir, I'm sleeping and studying in the house, sir, on the bed. When my mom is opening the room and coming, I slept off. She's waking me up. You have to respect the subject. Wear, let's say, professional clothes. Sit down, sit on a desk, start watching the class. Don't lie down watching the phone as if you're watching some Netflix, guys. Don't do that. Respect the subject. That's when you get respect back. And last thing, I have been saying this for multiple years. I will keep saying this in the future. No skipping topics, no selective study, guys. Try to study fully. In that process, few things you will not understand. Leaving that is different. Aiming to study only a few topics and skipping them is not the right approach, at least for a professional course like CA. Now coming, sir, we are waiting only for the strategy for accounts and law, sir. 30 days you told it's possible, no, sir. Show it to us. I'm going to give you a 4-step approach for both accounts and law. And I'm sure most of you watching this will be in either of these steps, either in step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. And when you put a tick for all the steps, that is when you can get yourself an exemption. Step number 1. Whichever class you are following or doing self-study, step 1, finish the classes or do self-study and be clear with concepts. That is step number 1. If you are going to start off the preparation, step 1 applicable for you. If you are already in your preparation, sir, only 30 days left for exams are now. Step 1 is already done for you. Step 2. Sir, which scanner to solve, sir? That book, this faculty is posting the video first. ICA study material, RTP, MTP, are you clear? You finish that, then you think of doing the other things. So step 2 is to be clear with ICA study mat, RTP and MTP questions. Be thorough means any question from these sources if I give you, will you be able to solve? No, sir. This one chapter I don't know, sir. In this chapter, this question only I don't know, sir. Examiner knows that question only you don't know. He will ask you guys. 100% of ICA study mat, RTP, MTP grip in your hands. Third, note down key library of adjustments. While preparing amalgamation, there are 30 sums. Are you going to solve all the 30 sums day before exam? No. Important adjustments in amalgamation, important adjustments in whole syllabus should be noted down separately. Don't worry, you have not done it, so I have done it for you. So step 2 and step 3, I have a magic for you. I have a solution for you. I will give it to you separately in the end of the video, guys. But ensure that step 3 is done. And once step 2 and 3, you will think 1, 2, 3, over, sir, I will go for exam. Many students forget this. Step 4, practice with mock test. Anywhere, guys, ICA mock test, DIRA test, any test series of your choice. At least at 100 marks mock test, recreate the exam-like situation for you. Imagine you are going to Ooty. Now, if I am sitting in the house and saying, watch Ooty in TV, is there a difference, guys? You have to really go and experience. So, writing test in your house and writing a real mock test, there is a difference. Create exam-like environment and practice mock test, guys. If anybody is doing these 4 steps, why will you not clear, guys? And I know most of you are stuck in step 2, 3 or 4, and for step 2 and 3 and 4, I have a magic I will show you in the end of this video, guys. Sir, move on to law, sir. Either you came to law because you watched the video till here, or you fast forward and you searched for law and you came here. Step 1 for law. Those who already studied will know this. If you are going to study now, we are going to start from here. Learn concepts in detail. I'll give you a simple example. I'll give you a challenge question, guys. If you know the answer, put in the comments before I give the answer. In bonus issue, bonus shares are not allowed to be given if shares are not fully paid up. Partly paid up shares, bonus not allowed. Why? If I give bonus for partly paid up shares, then if you have one partly paid up share, you will get one more partly paid up share. Then you will have 2 shares now. Your liability will double. That is what I say learning with concepts, guys. Not mugging up partly paid up shares or don't give bonus. Like that, if you learn with concepts, you will remember for life. That's how I remember it. Now, here also step 2 and step 3 are the most important ones. Second step is correcting your provisions and remembering keywords. Nowadays in exam, MCQ, are they testing one concept, or in descriptive answer also? Are they testing only one chapter? No. They are testing multiple chapters, connecting and learning, guys. So you should also learn how do I mix meetings with this chapter, that chapter. That learning is important, and then memorizing not section numbers, keywords. And step 3 is you have to read and solve question answers by yourself. RTP questions, ICA study mat questions, you have to solve it by yourself, at least 400 to 500 questions. So imagine concepts are done for me, sir, already done, sir, I learned previously or I'm going to learn now. I am now learning to connect provisions, sir. Let me give you an example for connecting provisions. Now, auditors chapter and CSR chapter will come in foreign company. Prospectus will come in foreign company. When you're learning both, are you able to connect those provisions? That's a small example, guys. Like this, there are 100 plus cases and solving 400 plus exam type questions. And that is where the magic lies in getting 60 plus. And that also I will show you in the end, guys. And lastly, step 4, what I already elaborated, write answers. Some mock test somewhere, please write it, not for me. ICA mock test or somewhere you write it, guys. Even if you are not prepared, go write mock test with whatever preparation you have, because in school you wrote pre-board exam, half yearly exam, quarterly exam before main exam. In CA, how many tests are you writing before the main exam is what matters. Every test will save an attempt for you. This is not something I am telling you, guys. This is something my teachers told me, which helped me becoming a CA today, and the same thing I am passing it on to you. Now the next thing, sir, what is that magic, sir? What is the discount code you told? Keep watching, guys. Now, if you look at my classes, my regular class of advanced accounts, workout class of advanced accounts and law, and marathons. Advanced accounts regular goes for 150 plus hours, workout around 70 plus hours, and marathons 25 plus hours. Law also, if you see, regular is around 90 to 100 hours, workout around 50 hours, and marathon 15 plus hours. Now, sir, in 30 days, how we can finish, sir? Simple. If you are a regular student, sir, first time I'm studying accounts and law, sir, now only, then in 30 days, this 150 plus 90 hours, 240 hours you can finish by just studying 8 hours per day. 8 hours dedicated accounts and law in 30 days, regular class you can finish. No, sir, my exam is just 30 days away. Why will I see regular? I know concepts. I want only step 2 plus step 3. In case of accounts, solving ICA study mat and library of adjustments. In case of law, connecting provisions, remembering keywords and solving 400 plus questions. That is what happens. Step 2 and 3 is what happens in workout. Workout is just 120 hours for accounts and law combined. That means in the next 30 days, if you can just spend 4 hours per day for these two subjects, I can guarantee you an exemption. You have seen the success that we have shared. Lastly, no, sir, I will just use marathons. Then 1 to 2 hours per day, accounts and law marathon is available. Now, for those students who are taking the workout, what is that magic, sir? This part which I explained, the workout of accounts and law, which is 120 hours, step 2 and 3, what do you get? In accounts, in the 70 hours, you will get all unique ICA study mat, RTP, MTP, past exam, other author questions, 250 plus questions we will solve. I will challenge you guys, open challenge. Take any soft copy which is available in our website in free resources for accounts workout, AS9, buyback, lot of own questions we have solved by ourselves. You cannot find that question in any other damn book. I will show that to you right away. And same way for law, ICA study mat, RTP, MTP, model test paper, previous year papers. Around 400 plus questions are discussed and concepts are quickly revised in just 50 hours for law and just 60 to 70 hours for accounts. Trust me, if you already know the syllabus, if you can invest this 100 to 120 hours, that's the magic which will get you that exemption, guys. Sir, how do I get this class? Where are these materials? I want to first see them before I take it. Let me show it to you guys. But before that, if anybody wants any of the accounts regular class or workout class, if you are watching this video, May 26 60 plus is the code. May 26 60 plus, if you put the code, you will get flat 1,000 rupees off, flat 1,000 rupees off. Let me show that code to you and let me show you that class and materials in this video. But before that, remember one thing, guys. You're all going to live for next 50 years. Yes or no? 50 years into 30 days. 18,000 days you have left in your life. Minimum. Another 18,000 days we all left in our life. We all have it. These 30 to 40 days, what I'm going to tell you, next 30 to 40 days, if you give your best, the remaining 50 years becomes much more blissful. Now let me show you this accounts regular workout where it's available and those materials quickly for you guys. So what you have to do, guys, is just go to the CA Classroom website, and in CA Classroom website you will scroll down and go to accounts and law combo. I have reduced the price already. So if you go here, you will find 2 months, 4 months or 6 months validity, where you will get in this 2 months validity, you will get both regular and workout fully included for you. And in that only, I'm giving you this 1,000 rupees off. So just imagine 2 months of accounts and law, 35 minus 1,000, just 2,500 rupees investment for 200 marks. You know the answer, guys. And then I told you those questions, I told you the unique questions that we are going to solve, guys. You go to the CA Classroom free resources, go to the free resources over here and go to workout folder. And if you go to workout of advanced accounts or law, if you click on this accounts LOA, you will find these kind of questions. For example, I'm just showing you random AS9. Look at this AS9 question. Question 4. Star Sports obtained advertisement right for IPL, BCCI, some 25%, 75%. Pause and read this question, guys. No book will have this question, but this question can come in exam, and that's what I said by Karthik Manikonda's research over here. So basically what I'm telling you, guys, those 250 questions for accounts and 400 plus questions we're going to do for law, they are not just ICA, study mat, RTP, MTP questions. It's a culmination of everything. Look at this for AS9. For example, AS9. First question is ICA, study mat. Second is RTP, November 22. Third question is my own question, Star Sports. Fourth question, if you see, is basically Star Sports, yeah. Fifth question is basically the study mat question again. Sixth question is OYO rooms, everybody's favorite OYO rooms question created. Seventh question, Kazana jewelry, RTP November 21. And then all these questions will be in such a way it covers all the unique adjustments in AS9. And that is how it's there for all the other topics over here, guys. Go explore them. And with that, I am telling you guys, you follow exactly this magic 4 steps in 30 days. If you don't get exemption, let me know then, guys. You follow this, you will get. With that, I'm ending this video with the hope of exemption, and always have that hope, guys. Thank you.